In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Odoo step by step. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your profile area. Open My Products to view everything linked to your account. Find the domain section and click Manage All to see your full list of domains. Select the domain you want to connect, then open its DNS or DNS management page. This is the control panel for how your domain routes traffic on the internet. Add a new DNS record. When asked for the type, choose CNAME. In the name or host field, enter only www. That tells the system you're configuring the www version of your domain. In the value or points to field, paste the Odoo database URL provided in your Odoo domain settings. Enter the hostname only, no HTTP, HTTPS, or slashes. Leaving the TTL at its default is fine for most setups. Save the record. Be careful not to delete existing records you don't recognize. Removing the wrong one can affect email or other services tied to your domain. Now switch over to Odoo, log in and open your database manager. Go into the settings for the specific database you want to publish, then open domain names. Choose the option to use your own domain. In the domain field, type your full domain with the www prefix and click verify. Odoo will look up the DNS record you just created at GoDaddy to make sure it points correctly. If verification doesn't pass right away, that's normal. DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet. Wait a bit. Often it's just a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on your DNS cache, and try verifying again. You can also test in a private browser window to avoid cached results. Once Odoo confirms the DNS configuration is correct, click the confirmation button to finalize the connection. At this point, Odoo will complete the binding on its side. It typically provisions an SSL certificate automatically, so give it a little time before testing again if you see a certificate warning. A few quick tips to wrap up. This setup specifically targets the www host via a CNAME. If you want the non-www version to behave the same way, you can configure forwarding at your registrar so both reach your Odoo site. Also, make sure you didn't accidentally use at or your full domain in the name field. For a CNAME to www, the name should simply be www, and that's it. You've connected your GoDaddy domain to Odoo and verified it inside Odoo. Thanks for watching and happy building.